Good day, I'm Skalk. I'm a fourth year education student in the senior phase focusing on business studies and geography. My goal is to foster independent and reflective learning. I believe in constructivism, highlighting that students build their understanding through exploration, discussion, and reflection. I also apply Bloom's Reviews taxonomy and encourage high-order thinking and problem-solving abilities. In my classroom, education involves more than just presenting information. It's about enabling students to become accountable and consistent learners. As I noted previously, evaluation within the learning framework is multi-phase, and in this context, the impact rather that only examines one's performance. I use different formats, assessments, methods including peer evaluation, self-assessments, and digital quizzes to evaluate understanding in real time and modify my teaching as needed. For instance, during a recent lesson about climate change, my students designed awareness posters and showcased them to the class. This is not evaluate their comprehension, but also exchange their communication and teamwork abilities. I prioritize formative assessments over summative testing and use detailed rubrics to clarify opportunity and promote transparency. These rubrics help learners understanding where they are in their learning and what steps they need to take to improve. Innovation in my teaching often involves combining traditional context with creative and student-centered methods. Additionally, I make use of cross-disciplinary activities that blend subjects like business studies and geography. These tasks allow students to think holistically and integrate knowledge across subjects. I strongly believe that effective teaching requires constant self-reflection and professional development. I think professional development is not a goal but a lifelong commitment to duplication the value I teach to my learners. Thus, I encourage them to reflect self-regulate learners. I hold myself to the same standards as I educate.